Hi, Sergey. Thank you very much for sharing with us this anecdote about a fun landing of a British airline there. Um, that was so fun, and well, in the future, actually in the future, I want to post a video as well about and well that w- I guess that video will not be that fun, right? Because what I want to do is to make a video about an airplane accident, right? The Either way, traveling by plane is one of the most safe ways to travel, right? But when uh, when an airplane accident happens, it's really notorious, right? So well, but that's another thing. Thank you very much for your video, Sergey. Okay, bye bye.